Hi guys, this is Vishal here from Trapcode. So in this video, we will understand how to send attachments in email in Trapcode. So when you're sending any emails from the system, you can send whatever is already attached to that particular object or to that particular record. Or even we have ways, let's say you want to generate some PDFs, generate some document immediately on the fly and attach it to email and then send it. Okay, so let's see how that can be done. So here we have a application which has a profile, which has a couple of users, employee form. Let's say I want to create an employee, and as soon as the employee gets created, I want to send them an email along with the attachment, right? So let's say HR is creating a profile and then they are adding something, and then the email should go to the person with an attachment. And we'll also see how to generate a PDF from the UI or from whatever you are generating PDF, attach it to that particular object, to that particular record, and then send it email, right? So we'll see both the cases. So let's first see the first case. So this is a employee form, right? It has a couple of fields. So this is the employee collection, and it has some fields, right? Say name, email, joining letter, and all these things, right? So what I'll do, I'll just delete this one. Now what I'll do, I'll say whenever a new employee gets created, just send them an email and send this joining letter as an attachment. Okay, so let's go and first create an email template. So I'll say create an email template, employee collection, name of the employee, which is this name of the employee, which is name, date of joining, or you can select it from here also. And then I'll say in attachment and joining letter. That's all, right? I'll say save. Now what we want to do, as soon as we save, we can send this email. So we already have a save event. We can either, let's say notification, we can say send dynamic email. Here we can say send the joining letter email to the employee's email address, and that's all. Right, save it. So now this the event is already binded to the form. You can even create another event. Let's just create an event separately. Okay, let's say add event. So what does event do? It will just send an email, right? So the notification, send dynamic email, which email, joining letter email, which field, email address of the employee. If you want to keep anyone in CC, BCC, that's all, and save. Right. After that, we can maybe show a notification message. Right, now let's go to the employee profile page and add this event. So we have already added the event in the save flow, and I'll just create button here also. So I'll say button. Here I'll change from submit to button and then bind the event, which is send joining letter. And I'll save. Okay, so this is a small button. Primary, I'll make it to something else. Let's say BTN warning. Some margin towards the right. So let's say 10 pixels. So there's some gap. So this is an event which we created. We just export this profile as PDF and save this to a collection field. This I'll show. It is we already covered in another video. So I'll just publish these changes. So the employee is here. I'll just create an employee and I'll just say submit. So this will save the employee, send them an email, and this joining letter will go as an attachment. So submit. Let's go to the employee collection. So new employee got created. Vishal employee email is here, and this is the joining letter, right? Obviously, employee profile is blank because we have not created any. So let's go to the email. So here, the email is here, right? Let's go to the details page of employee and send joining letter email. I'll just click this. So this will also send an email and send a message. So we have received an email. Now let's do one thing. Let's generate this profile, save it as PDF, and then send an email, right? So we already have export profile. Let me quickly show you what it does. Export profile as PDF. Just exports the profile. Let me show you. It just exports the profile, employee profile, this container, and send it to employee in the employee profile field. in the employee, we have a field called employee profile, which is a file type which is stores the exported PDF profile. So here it is blank. So now what we will do, we will generate this, right? So I'll just click export profile. So it's generated the PDF successfully. Let's come here, reload the page. So the PDF is here. Now let's see, we want to send this profile as well in email. So what we'll do, we'll create another template. Let's employee. So name of the employee, paste. Hi, employee name, which is Shal. In here, in the attachment, we'll select his profile, right? I'll just say save. So this is the email. Now let's go and create an event. Create here. Go to the notification, send dynamic email. Now this one will say send employee profile template. This is the one in the email field of the employee, and then save. That's all. Now let's go to the page and add a button to send the email, right, for profile. Button, I'll just paste it here. Change to button type and bind the event, which is send profile to employee. Add some margin towards the left. I'll remove this class and add, let's say, BTN success. These are all Bootstrap classes, you can ignore it. So we have, this is sending the joining email, this is exporting the profile and saving it to a collection, and this is sending the profile which we just stored in the collection over an email, right? So I'll just publish those changes, go to employee, reload. So this is here, right? Now I'll just say send profile email. So the email actually got sent successfully. We have not added another message for confirmation that after creating the profile, we have not added a confirmation method that after sending email show us something. So it may have already sent email. Now here is the another email. Your Vishal profile is here, and here you see this is a dynamically generate UI of that particular profile, right? So PDF getting dynamically generated, getting attached to a collection, and then that is being used to send as an attachment in an email. So this way you can send anything in the email, whether there is something which is already generated, already attached, whether image, PDF, zip file, whatever is supported in email. Or there are scenarios where you want to generate something. Let's say you have an accounting system, you want to generate an invoice and then want to send an invoice in email. So that option is also here. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.